Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Feel free to pause, rewind, or fast forward at any time so you can get the best notes possible. Today's topic, appositives and appositive phrases, the other type of phrases we're going to be looking at. So, an appositive is a noun or a pronoun that is placed next to another noun or pronoun to identify or give more information about it. For example, my friend Marty sends me cookies every Christmas. The appositive is Marty, but the main noun, or the simple subject of the sentence, is friend. By adding this appositive, it helps me clarify and identify which friend I'm talking about. An appositive phrase is just an appositive plus any other words that modify the appositive. So, for example, he specializes in macadamia nut, my favorite cookie. Cookie is the appositive, but favorite and my help modify and clarify what we're talking about. It's my favorite cookie. Use commas to set off any appositive or appositive phrase that isn't essential to the meaning of the sentence, okay? Commas if it's not necessary, no commas if it is necessary. For example, in this sentence, there are no commas, so the appositive is necessary. Marty's friend Usher also likes cookies. Usher is necessary because Marty has more than one friend, so we need this in here to help clarify which friend we're talking about. But, on the other hand, in this sentence, Dora, Marty's only sister, has a peanut allergy. This phrase is not necessary to identify Dora. Marty only has one sister, so if we took it out, we would still know who Dora is. Hence, the commas to chunk it off. Thanks for watching.